Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In today's exercise, we are going to use sheet metal feature and make this simple exercise. But here we are going to learn about jog features. This is very important feature. If we are going to make these kinds of bends in SolidWorks manually, you need too much calculation because here bending allowance involved. But with the help of jog tools, you can create this kind of bends easily. So let's see how to do this simple exercise in SolidWorks and learn some basic features of SolidWorks sheet metal. Here is the new exercise in SolidWorks and we will make with the help of SolidWorks sheet metal feature. See, in notes you will see all bend around K factor 0.5, all bend radius. Bend radius always counts from inside 0.5. And this is gussets dimension and all dimensions in millimeter. You will see here flattened view of this, and here you will see the bending table. Now we are going to start with this front face. See, this width, if you are going to check, 80 millimeter and height is 60 millimeter. Thickness you will see here 0.5 millimeter. And inside radius, there is a radius hole, actually 55 millimeter, actually it should be a hole. Then if you see the section view, 30 millimeter extend from outer side, and if we are going to check this view, okay, now here corner fillet R10 and there is two hole and this is 6.5 millimeter and this distance is 60-20 from here. So let's make. So I'll choose front plane, sketch. Now activate circle. Now first outer circle diameter will be 80. Inside one 55. Now activate line tool. Make sure it is horizontal, vertical line, connect this point, right click or escape key. Now click this line, vertical, that's it. Activate smart dimension and this 60 millimeter. But in sheet metal you have to trim unnecessary lines. So go to feature and activate trim entity, click power trim, just press left mouse and drag. See, it's trimmed. Okay, this is closed geometry, so we don't need to more define anything. Right click, go to tabs and activate sheet metal features or sheet metal tab. Now activate feature flange or feature tab. See, use gauge, no. Now thickness 1.5 and it is moving backside, it's okay. K factor is 0.5. This is standard, so we are going to take with the help this one. Say okay. Look, now activate edge flange. Now click this one and drag here. Okay. Now the first thing, radius. Inside radius 1.5, it is written in our drawing. Angle degree, it's 90. And flange length, blind, and see length we are going to count from outer virtual shaft, from outside. And how much the length is? 30 millimeter. Material also we will keep inside. You will see. If I am going to check outside, see how it's moving downward. So let's keep material inside. And rest keep as it is. We don't need to change anything else. Say yes. Look. Now let's deactivate real view. Okay. Now corner break, corner trim. Now here I am going to choose fillet. This radius 10 millimeter. Now I am going to choose 1, 2. These two corners applied. Say yes. Look. Now here one more option called simple hole. Okay. Click this face and it's automatically placed. First change 6.5. Now hold center point and move. If you I'm keep my cursor here and you will see a center point. I'm going to fix leave. See, it is fixed here. Say okay, that's it. Because this center from outside to here, this radius is 10, so you will see this is 20 millimeter. Okay, now we will try to make mirror this. Now here the next feature, we are going to make this flange. This flange center distance, you will see outside 15 and from bottom edge 22.5, 6.5 this whole diameter, 7.5 this outer. And if you see here, this is flush with this, means material inside, and this is the cutout length 1.5, 1.5, means it is exactly 1 ratio of the thickness. So let's activate edge flange. Click this one and go back side. See, click edit flange. Now I am going to move somewhere like here, like here. Now activate 3-point arc. Connect this point to this point. Just draw a half circle, activate circle. Now this circle diameter is 6.5. Right click, smart dimension, outer radius 7.5. That's it. Now distance from inside, it's 15. Now dimension from outside of this edge, 22.5. See, this is fully defined sketch. Just click this center line, construction line, make it construction line. Go to back. Now here we have to change some more thing. First, radius, corner radius 1.5. See, it is too big. Now it's changed. Gap we don't need. Now comes down custom relief type. Now either unchecked and here put the dimension 1.5, 1.5. See, or even though you can just check ratio and click 1. Okay, now look. Let's mirror. Go to mirror. Now first we have to choose a plane. So right plane is the suitable plane which is going to mirror. Now here the first option is, let's say this one, and select the whole. Even though you can choose it from here also. Say okay. Now look, it's mirror. Now we are going to make this flange with bending. You will see this kind of bending. So we are going to use jog tool, which is very useful tool or very helpful and very important tool in SolidWorks sheet metal. Now it's very easy to create this one without doing too much calculation of belting, because there is two bending and you need to apply a bending allowance, and there is a critical calculation. So there is a simple way. What way? So I'll create this shape. You will see 45 millimeter is the distance. This bending line. We will consider this one as a bending line. And okay, you will see here outside bending 10 millimeter, outer to outer. You will see, and then distance from inside to inside 45. This is also a important thing. Then this diameter 10. You will see here. And what we call this one, inside there is a hole 5.5, and this center distance, see, 30 radius. So we will create this one, sketch. Now I'll click this one, this line, convert entity. So I don't need to draw. Again I am going to take circle 30, click for construction, say yes, line. Now let's create a line, convert entity and connect. Okay, horizontal. Now let's make one more line, connect with this. Select these three because we want to make symmetric relation, symmetric. Choose origin point and this point vertical. It is in one line. Hold this circle and this point coincide because this is lies on this. Now okay, let's define this. Activate smart dimension. This radius 5, diameter 5.5. This is fully defined sketch. So let's trim unnecessary lines. Power trim, just move and see it is trimmed. We trim this one also. Now we have one thing. So just go to sheet metal, press base flange or tab. See, it's going to create up to thickness 1.5 merge. Look. Now let's apply those bendings here. So first sketch, I am going to create a bending line. This is very important line. And distance from here to here, it's 45 by 2 millimeter. So it's 20 bend, exit. Now activate jog tool. Now first fix face. So I am going to choose below the line of this surface, not upside. I'll choose this one. You will see it's going to bend. Reverse. There is a radius too much, so radius 1.5. See, it's a small. Now distance 10 millimeter, but we will choose overall dimension, means outside to outside. Now look, you will see the preview. If I am going to unchecked, see, this is going to make shape like this, but we want to fix projection. I'll go fix projection, see. Now bending also we took 45 distance from inside. So I'm going to check material inside. Look. And okay, rest everything is same as it is. Okay. Now let's try to mirror, make 4 number of patterns. So I'm going to use circular pattern. Feature, let's say this one. See, unable to pattern the selected feature jog. Okay. So it's difficult to mirror pattern. So let's again circular pattern. Features, I'm going to choose here tab. Circular edge, this one. 4 number of thing, equal spacing 360, say okay. Look. So we have to do manually one by one. So I'm not going to repeat the whole thing. I'm just face forward this one. Now here we finished. Now let's check the dimension. So go to evaluate, measure, and I'm going to choose this inside dimension, this face to this face. Now see the center distance 45. This is what we need in our geometry. So this is simply we did. Okay, if you check flat pattern, go to sheet metal and check flat pattern. Now see, it is perfectly aligned. See, now the last feature, let's check what is the last feature. Now here you will see one option. See, this is a gusset size, XY direction 10 millimeter, width 7.5, draft angle 20 degree, fillet 1. This is remember this one. There is a distance from center 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter means from one side it's 10 millimeter. So we will create one, then we will make linear pattern to make all. So go to sheet metal, and here you will find option called sheet metal gusset. Fixed surface, you have to choose two fixed surface. So 1, 2. Now see, edge already selected this line, point, this end point selected. Now offset from this point, if you unchecked, see it's moved this point, but we need offset. How much? 10 millimeter. Now XY length 10 millimeter X, 10 millimeter Y, and this is degree 45 degree. Corner shape we need round. Okay, thickness 7.5 we already fixed. Then thickness 1.5. Okay, angle also, if we unchecked, see it is flat, but if we make angle 20 degree, see here inside and outside fillet 1 millimeter. If you check full parallel view, you will see the preview. Say okay, look. Linear pattern. Now select this direction, feature directly choose this one. Now distance, center distance 30 millimeter. Look, and we need 3 instances, 1, 2, 3. So say okay. Look, it's created. See, if we check flat pattern, look, because these kinds of gussets made by forming tool. Let me apply some appearance to this. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.